We are so thrilled at having won the Airbus award. Honestly, it was just invigorating being up there and accepting that award and knowing that it was our peers who chose us. That really meant a lot to us. The HAC Airbus Award for Safety and Innovation is really all-encompassing, and that is refreshing because I didn't think that we were big enough to actually be considered for this award. But once we were, it made perfect sense because we as an operation, although we don't have a lot of equipment, we do service a lot of passengers and we have a lot of clientele.
We fly annually about 100,000 people a year. That reflects to about 16,000 flight movements in and out of this location here. The H130 highly increased our safety on the main pad with our customers. It highly increased our efficiency in training since the aircraft is very easy to train on and to operate due to the new innovations that Airbus brought in. Niagara Helicopters primarily is flying sightseeing, is flying tourists over the falls. That's our primarily mission that we do around here. We also do some work with the police forces, with our search and rescue team that we have here since probably about 18 years now.
I think our very basic safety principles are our ability to work safely in and around a moving helicopter. For policing, for fire, and for EMS, those are the kind of things that we teach at a very basic level. In addition to that, we fly in and out of the Niagara River corridor, which has very unique and individual dangers specific to Niagara. Cable systems that run across the gorge, Class 6 rapids, and we also do helicopter short haul, which is a unique skill that we've used here in Niagara, where a rescuer is suspended 100 feet under the aircraft to rescue someone in distress.
Niagara Helicopters, I think one of our greatest assets is that we learn and we continue to learn every single day. So what we have here in terms of communication with our staff, we actually have an app that will give us the ability to tell all of the staff simultaneously exactly what's happening, when it's happening. It goes directly to their phones and their emails right away, so they can react and they can give us either some advice, or they can tell us exactly what happened, or they can give us some kind of input that can lead to a better, safer environment. The H130 has some really great safety features that were never available on past models. The first one being the fenestron, which is one of our key factors in choosing this aircraft. Cockpit recorders are also installed in each of these aircraft. Not only do they register what our pilots are doing, they also register what other pilots are doing in the area, and we can kind of record what they're doing, which helps when we're trying to ensure the safety in the air. Traffic collision avoidance, awesome. It helps immensely, especially over the falls area. It's one of the most photographed areas in the world, so there is a lot of people who want to fly over it. Some of them are not aware of what they need to do and what they can and cannot do over the falls. So we use all of our equipment to make sure that we keep safe and that they do as well.